Introducing the new DEWALT job site table saw. Featuring a lightweight and compact design, the saw is designed to be easily transported. The saw has a rip capacity of 32.5 inches or 825 mil to the right of the blade, provided by a patented rack and pinion telescopic rail system, which allows you to cut larger material compared to previous DEWALT table saws without sacrificing portability. The design also provides convenient onboard tool storage, making them easily accessible. The quick release system makes installation of the guarding components quick and easy. DEWALT has also designed a new roll cage frame to withstand tough job site conditions, which demand DEWALT durability. The DEWALT DWE7491-XE provides workshop capacity with job site power to meet the user's needs. Stands available separately. DEWALT.